successful. This is Stephanie from Safeway, and we'll see you soon. Restrictions and exclusions apply. Learn more at safeway.com/foryou.
Me encantan nuestras fiestas, pero siempre tenemos la misma bebida. Refrescos con un montón de azúcar. Pero esta vez, mi mamá trajo su famosa limonada. Lleva fresas y jugo de piña en vez de agregar tanta azúcar. Pero, ¿les gustará a todos? ¡Les encanta!
Celebra opciones saludables, recetas y más en calfreshhealthyliving.org. Mensaje del Departamento de Salud Pública de California, financiado por SNAP y el USDA, un proveedor y empleador que ofrece oportunidades equitativas.
At Arizona State University, we're committed to our students' success. That's why we've designed our online courses to utilize adaptive technology for enhanced learning. Explore more than 300 programs online from the nation's most innovative university. Visit asuonline.asu.edu.
Knee-jerk legal opinions from America's foremost bagel enthusiast. Do they have a case? Bill Handel, Monday mornings at 8:30 on KFI.
Shannon, KFI AM 640, live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. A bunch of stories that we're following. The big one is going to take place later tonight. We will see Title 42 expire just before midnight tonight. Border Patrol agents already made more than 10,000 apprehensions along the border. Yesterday, for the third day in a row, they were talking about as many as 19,000 was the number that we saw. So tomorrow, who knows what's going to happen. House Republicans have detailed what they say are concerning new findings about President Biden's family and their finances. Republicans have said that they got financial records connected to the president's son, Hunter, his brother, James, and then a bunch of associates who also got millions of dollars in payments from foreign entities in China and Romania. They've suggested that the payments were part of a wide-ranging scheme to enrich themselves simply off of their family name. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has downplayed this possibility that President Biden could essentially ignore the debt limit by invoking the 14th Amendment. We had talked about that yesterday, suggesting that if that happened, it would immediately be called into question legally. She says it's legally questionable. So it's unlikely. I think now, at least, it's unlikely that they're going to...
The president even acknowledged that it would be litigated instantly.
Yeah. Lakers lost to the Warriors 121-106 last night. Game 6 tomorrow at crypto.com, and then both Dodgers and Angels are off today. Angels lost to the Astros yesterday. Dodgers beat up on the Brewers last night.
8-1.
8-1. Rowdy didn't play. Did he?
I don't think he did.
Yeah.
No, I don't think he did.
On Thursdays we like to get into some of these odd, strange science stories.
Strange science. It's like weird science, but strange.
Sure, I would really jump in and touch this thing once it fell through my roof.
Was it steamy?
A grapefruit-sized metallic object fell from the sky right through the roof of a New Jersey home, crashed into the floor of the bedroom, and left a dent in the wood floor. Like two of those planks is going to have to be replaced. Or you just epoxy over it and say that's where the meteorite fell. The police showed up, believing that the falling object may be a meteorite, possibly from the Ite Aquarids meteor shower, if you say so, which peaked over the weekend. Nobody was home, they said, when that hit the house, punched a hole in the roof, appeared to dent the floor at about 1:15. According to the owner of the house, we're thinking it's a meteorite, came through here, hit the floor because that's completely damaged, ricocheted up to this part of the ceiling, and then finally came down resting on the floor over there. They're saying it bounced on the floor and hit the ceiling a second time before it eventually came to rest.
I asked if she touched it. I did touch the thing because I just thought it was a random rock. I don't know, and it was warm.
That is insane.
But did you describe the color?
No.
It's beautiful.
It's a dark,
Yeah,
I don't know, would you say dark
not
blue?
lame.
I don't know if that's part of this color printer that we printed the article out on, but I wouldn't assume that it was metal. That's the other part about it.
No. Yeah, and it is a really pretty hue of blue. I'm trying to think of all the blue shades. My mom's a painter, as in houses, and she would be disappointed that I can't come up with like a nice, paint
color
name for this. All
Do you?
right, Mom, send me a text.
midnight blue.
Midnight blue, maybe.
Dark blue.
I know.
That's
So you
another
first
one.
said, no, we want something more flowery.
Neuroscientists have been trying to eavesdrop on electrical activity in the brain, and there is a new invention, this tiny flexible machine that they say looks like a robot flower. That these
does not
different
bust up.
petals are
Why are
inverted
people
into a
off
central
there?
hub before they insert it through a small
I hate when they do
hole in
that.
the skull, and
I don't know why people do that, but it's annoying.